Hi, welcome to my channel. I will be taking you step by steps on Forex marketing training. Follow me on his channel by subscribing below this video. To subscribe, hit the red subscribe button below. We are going to begin with the following. Our training will start with this focus introduction. What is Forex? What do we trade in Forex? Forex brokers, trading times and trading sessions, terminologies used in Forex, forms of trading, currency pairs traded in Forex. Alright, let's begin with introduction. Forex is just like every other market and business you know about. It is the biggest market in the world, with billions of dollars available each day in the market. You only come to take your share and move out. Forex is a short form of foreign exchange. So what comes into your mind? In the region called Nigeria, there are those we call Iraqi, who exchange dollars. Either sell dollars to you for Nigerian currency or vice versa. Now these people are called local barrow exchangers. They do similar to what we do on Forex Market, but we do ours internationally, so as a Forex trader you are referred to as an international barrow exchanger. There is nothing big or magical about the Forex market. Every single day the Forex market has $5.3 trillion available in the market. It's just for you to take your share, hit your profit and run. I hope you understood from the little introduction what the Forex market is. After this training you will be able to trade the Forex market. We will be considering next what we trade in Forex, so watch out for the next video. See you in our next video. Thank you and God bless you.